Come with us on our first vlog. We're hiking at Lily Mountain Nature Preserve in Estill County, Kentucky. Let's jump on in. It's a really nice trail, and we rarely run into anyone on this trail as well. We found some really cool mushrooms. And Thomas cleared the path of spider webs for me a lot. There's definitely some steep hills in this climb, but it is worth the hike at the end of it. When you come to a fork in the road, you have a couple of choices. You can go around like this fuddy-duddy, or you can climb like a champ. Needed some water after that climb for sure. We tried to take this other path that was technically on the map, but it looked like it had not been taken in a long time, so we just turned around and went back to the top of the mountain for the real view that we had seen before. We had to climb back down all of the really steep hills, but on the way back down we did see a turtle, so we stopped and said hi. Then we enjoyed the pretty views on the way home. It is a really pretty drive in the back roads, and that was it. It was a great day. Thanks for joining us.